Hey everyone, welcome back to a new Photoshop tutorial. Today we're going to create this cool typographic poster design in just a few simple steps. Make sure to watch the tutorial till the end so you don't miss anything while designing it yourself. All right, let's get started. First, create a document in your desired size. Then click the plus sign to add a new layer and fill it with any color. Once that's done, grab the type tool and type out your text. Adjust the size as needed. For the font, go with a condensed style. I'm using this one called Outward, which I just installed for this design. You can find the free download link in the description. Now make a copy of the text layer by pressing Ctrl plus J. Right-click on the copied layer and select Convert to Smart Object. This will allow you to edit it non-destructively. Next, press Ctrl plus T, right-click, and choose Flip Vertical. Drag the copied text downward, then right-click again and select Perspective. Stretch the text like this to get that cool effect. Once that's done, select both text layers and the background and align everything to the center. Now select the copied text layer and add a layer mask. Then grab the gradient tool and apply a gradient by clicking on the text and dragging the cursor upward. Once the gradient is applied, import your subject onto the artboard. If you're using the latest Photoshop, remove the background using the contextual bar. If you're using an older version, you can select the subject and use a layer mask instead. After that, adjust the cutout image over the text and fine-tune the placement. Next, create a new layer and place it below the image layer. Grab the brush tool, adjust the settings, and start creating the subject's shadow. Make sure to lower the opacity for a more realistic look. Once you're happy with the shadow, you can add some footer text and that's it. You're good to go. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to leave a like to support the channel and hit subscribe for more design tutorials. Thanks for watching.